Did you know that 70% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Or that nearly half of all households have no retirement savings. These are alarming statistics, but they can change. Understanding the secrets of finance can empower you to take control of your financial future. It's time to shatter the myths, break free from the herd mentality, and embrace the strategies that the wealthy don't want you to know. Let's start with the truth about financial literacy. Most people think finance is only for Wall Street insiders or those with fancy degrees. Wrong. Anyone can learn the principles that govern wealth accumulation and management. The first step is to recognize that financial education is your best investment. If you want to stop living paycheck to paycheck, you need to master the fundamentals. One of the most powerful concepts is compound interest. This isn't just a buzzword. It's the secret sauce for building wealth. Imagine this. If you invest $1,000 at a 7% annual return in 30 years, you'll have over $7,600. That's the power of compounding. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from this phenomenon. But here's the kicker. Many people wait too long to invest, thinking they have time on their side. The truth? Time is your greatest ally in the investment game. Now, let's talk about investment strategies that the so-called experts often keep to themselves. One strategy you should absolutely consider is dollar-cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, buying high and selling low, you consistently invest a fixed amount over time. This strategy reduces your risk and smooths out the market's ups and downs. In essence, it's a way to automate your success. Diversification is another critical strategy that many overlook. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, you reduce the risk of significant loss. A well-diversified portfolio is more likely to yield steady returns over the long term. Remember, even the pros can't predict market movements with absolute certainty, but they do know how to manage risk. But here's where most people falter: emotional investing. Let's face it, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of a hot stock or panic during a market downturn. The key to successful investing is to remain disciplined and stick to your plan. When fear and greed creep in, remind yourself of your long-term goals. Don't let emotions dictate your financial decisions. Setting clear financial goals is crucial for your success. Whether you want to retire early, buy a home, or fund your child's education, having specific, measurable goals keeps you focused and motivated. Break these goals down into actionable steps. For example, if you want to save $50,000 for a down payment in 5 years, calculate how much you need to save each month. This clarity transforms your goals from vague dreams into actionable plans. Now, let's tackle the elephant in the room: understanding your expenses. Most people underestimate their spending habits, leading to financial strain. Take a hard look at where your money goes each month. Tracking your expenses for a couple of months will reveal surprising patterns. This awareness allows you to identify areas where you can cut back, enabling you to redirect that money into savings or investments. Technology can be your best ally in this journey. There are countless apps designed to help you manage your finances, from budgeting tools to investment platforms. Use these resources to automate your savings and keep track of your spending. The more organized you are, the more control you have over your financial destiny. Continuous education is another game changer. Don't just rely on what you hear from others. Invest in your financial knowledge. Read books, listen to podcasts, and take online courses. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Remember, the best investors are lifelong learners. Networking can also open doors to new opportunities. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals. Join local investment clubs or online forums to exchange ideas and strategies. The support and insights you gain from a community can significantly boost your financial journey. Let's not forget about risk management. Every investment carries some degree of risk, and understanding your own risk tolerance is essential. Younger investors often have a higher risk tolerance since they have time to recover from market downturns. However, as you approach your financial goals, it's wise to adjust your portfolio to minimize risk. Debt can be a double-edged sword. While certain types of debt, like mortgages or student loans, can be considered investments in your future, high-interest debt can be detrimental. Focus on paying down high-interest credit card debt before making significant investments. The interest on that debt can quickly erode any gains you might make in the market. And remember, seeking professional advice isn't a sign of weakness. It's a smart move. A good financial advisor can tailor strategies to your individual situation and help you navigate complex financial waters. Just ensure that any advisor you choose is fee-only and has your best interests in mind. In conclusion, mastering your finances is within your reach. By understanding the fundamentals, employing effective strategies, leveraging technology, and continually educating yourself, you can take control of your financial future. Start early, stay disciplined, and make informed decisions. Your financial freedom is waiting, but it starts with you. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information valuable, share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going and empower each other to achieve financial success. Until next time, take charge of your financial destiny